Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your password in the Wish application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the three lines at the bottom of the page on the right, and then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right, and then click on the account settings button, and then click on the change password button. And here what you need to do is just type in your old password and then enter a new password. And then once it is filled, just click on the Save Changes button and your password is changed. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.